Hi guys, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Justin Terhune with Inaba Denko America, and we're back today with another tips and tricks video. Now, at Inaba Denko America, we know that not all installs are the same. We know that not all installs are straightforward, and we know that some installs might not even be straight, if you will. So we're going to look at Inaba Denko America's SKS adjustable L. This elbow has the ability to go from 45 degrees up to 90, but you can also stop anywhere in between. So what we'll look at is a few features and benefits of this product. I'll discuss a few scenarios that you might run into in the field, and we'll do a quick demonstration on the install board to show you just how it works, okay? So we'll dive right in. The first feature I'd like to point out is the cover of the SKS, okay? And this is very important. It is a two-piece design, and if you've ever looked at some of our competition, they've got a similar product, but they use more of a built-in ball bearing design, if you will. It's a little bit bulky, but this two-piece design allows us to keep that same sleek profile that you're used to, that you know, and that you've come to love and expect from Inaba Denko America and our Slimduct line, okay? Aside from that, inside the 90, top and bottom, we've got the same nipple that we've got on all of our fittings, and that obviously will slide right into the oval perforation at the top of all of your Slimduct, preventing the cover from sliding down over time, okay? Now, it's available in our 3-inch and our 4-inch, and it's available in all colors, right? So let's talk about application. In this particular example, we're going to assume that the line set had to come out right above the window next to the roof line, okay? Now here in Western Pennsylvania and even the Northeast region, this is a very possible scenario with the amount of Cape Cod homes that we have, all right? We don't know what degree this angle is, but because we've got an SKS on hand, it doesn't really matter. Now, obviously, we could very easily 90 down and 90 over to the unit, and it's going to look good. But we also know that the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So maybe we want to follow the ridge line and save material. We can do that. I simply adjust this in line with the roof line, which is telling me is about 70 degrees. We can then slide our SD in place and follow that all the way back to the unit. Pop our 2 covers on and we're good to go. A couple other scenarios, something similar, maybe right above the roof, and we want to angle over. We don't have to match that perfectly. We just hit our SKS adjustable L, and we can adjust that so that the rest of our Slimduct is nice and level, straight line all the way down, okay? A third scenario you might run into, if you've got a downspout that comes down and then runs the whole length, maybe the side of the house or the back of the house, and you want to go with that, you can use the adjustable L to match that angle and follow it all the way back, okay? That's just a few examples. I'm sure as you're watching this, you're thinking of a few more examples. I would highly encourage you, check out the full product offering at inabadenko-america.com. And please follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to interact with you. We love to answer your questions, maybe some of your concerns. And please, if you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and tune in next time. Until then.